No scared, no scared, no scared. They gonna move, they gonna move. Okay.
Take it.
Yeah, touch the note.
Dang.
I just noticed that. We walked past them, and that's all we see. They don't care. Hold on.
Those some freaky cats.
They over there doing it.
I want to get a close up.
I can see them good a little bit. So that's a female on the bottom. Me like the female on the top.
She biting it.
Oh my gosh.
Ew.
Oh my gosh.
I got some babies.
We should go on the stairs.
Yeah.
Alright, we going on the stairs.
There's a cat right there.
Oh no. Look, he's still trying to mate.
Look, he goes.
Threesome.
I'm going with them. Because they following each other. Scared? I'm scared to go pop out. That was my first time seeing that.
A cat do it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Together.
Well, I've never seen that before in person.